sky, and it's open wide. You're electrified. The world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And you know you can't go back again to the world that you were living in, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive. I see it in your eyes. You believe that lie, that you need to hide your face, afraid to step outside. So you lock the door, but don't you stay that way.
No more living in no shadows. You and me, we don't have that code.
'Cause once you see it, oh, you'll never, never be the same.
You can feel life is turning, light it up to keep on shining.
You can prove there's more to you. You cannot be afraid. Come alive, come alive, go and light your life. Let it burn so bright, reach it up to the sky, and it's open wide. You're electrified, and the world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And we know we can't go back again to the world that we were living in, 'cause we're dreaming with our eyes wide open. So come alive. Come on, come on, come in, come on.
Anyone who's bursting with a dream.
Come on, you hear the call. To anyone who's searching for a way to break free. And the world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And we know we can't go back again to the world that we were living in, 'cause we're dreaming with our eyes wide open.
I like Team Manuka because I like the teachers. I feel strong in Team Manuka. Team Manuka had the best teachers, Miss Lee, Miss Mara, and Miss Later. I was at Team Manuka.
No more.